Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email. Search for a previous existing invoice. Export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this chapter, the searching of an invoice in the database will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Search Invoices button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Search Invoices button. A list with all the invoices registered by your account will be displayed, and you have the option to select information from them by inputting a desired string in the search field below the menu. If you click on the Search Invoices button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Search Invoice button, a page to search for a specific invoice will be displayed. Select one field present in the invoice and fill in the desired value to be searched. Click on the Search button and the result will be displayed. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.